Hey guys, to become a Waze map editor, log in to the Waze map editor, right? Or WME for in the browser, right? Go ahead and press Waze map editor. You gotta search for it obviously, and go ahead to the official website. And new editors begin at level 1 and gain experience, right? Through practice, community involvement, and learning the editing tools to progress to higher levels. Okay, if you want a little help, you can watch YouTube video tutorials, right? That speaks about that more in depth. And if you want to play around, you can just right here hit the plus button at the top left and see the options, right? You can edit road, place, hazard, house number, note, whatever, okay? And you're gonna see all the details regarding, the place, okay? You can add an address and all that stuff. And basically, you can go and do, try to experiment a little bit, okay? And by learning the editing tools, you're gonna progress to higher levels. It's recommended to begin by editing in practice mode to get familiar with the tool without affecting the live map. Okay, so as I did before, try to be in the practice mode, and play around a little bit without messing the live map. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.